Hi children, today I've come to make my Easter bonnet hat. So I would show you the things that I'm going to use it with. Some people make little cards, but I haven't got a card in the house, so I would make it some newspaper, and that's okay. So I have some newspaper, I have some tissue paper that I've sort of chopped a few up here. Pink, yellow and purple, those are the colors I had in the house. And I had these little plants I had in the garden, but they had fallen out the pot. So I'm going to use this also. Look. Yeah, they're so cute. And it's going to look very, very pretty on my bonnet. And I have some glue. And I have some masking tape in case I need it. And I have some sellotape. And I have my scissors. So what we do first, we get a newspaper. And we're going to cut it in, fold it in half, like this. Yeah, and then we're going to fold it again like that. And then what I'm going to do, so it doesn't stay opening, I'm going to put a piece of sellotape that I had cut earlier here. Oops. I'm going to close, otherwise this newspaper keeps opening like this. So I'm going to put the tape here so it doesn't keep opening like that. Yeah, and one to the other side. Another piece of sellotape I cut earlier. Woo, it's got all tangled up. So my finger doesn't get stuck there. There, yeah. So put it here, and there we go. It's stuck. Now I can start decorating my hat, my bonnet. So I'm going to get a piece of paper. I'm going to pinch the middle. Then you do this. Look. Just crumble it up. And this can be a little flower. So you can make loads of them. I'm going to make a pink one. Pinch the middle. Then just do this, look. Yes. Yeah? There, screw it up a little bit like this at the bottom. And then it's fine. I'm going to do the other one. Pinch. And then just put it together like this at the end. Look. Looks like a pretty flower. So we'll make a few of them. Another one. There, like that, a yellow one. Making, sellotape got stuck. Silly sellotape. So I'm making a few of them, putting them here, look. You can see them. And I'm going to make another yellow one. There. And then you can parade with this. In Easter Sunday, you can put your bonnet on. And any day. This one. And I'm going to make another purple one. Oh, this is a double one. So the two pieces of paper here. This. And this. Look, scrunch it up. Oh, beautiful flower. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to get my glue. And I'm going to squeeze it here. There. Squeeze them over here, look. Put some here. You can see. Then I'm going to get my flower. And I'm going to scrunch it up here, look. Scrunch it up. There, squeeze it down. Whoa, look at that. See? It looks like a flower. And I'm going to do a few more. A few blobs of glue here. I can do like this so you can see. And another blob of glue over here. And another blob of glue over here. And I do a blob of glue down here. And another one down here. So look, there's a few blobs of glue, can you see? And I'm going to stick, oh, one fell. Uh-oh,